Welcome to the city that never sleeps.
ये तो जाएगा.
Especially when you're crying.
Cranberry juice.
Slept for 6 hours. It's so pretty at night. How to use the camera. So once that's done, then एक सेकंड देना. कुछ ब्लॉग करने की जरूरत नहीं.
मेरे को भी चाहिए. मैं लेके
It's the cutest thing ever.
मैं लेके जाऊँ.
इतना प्यार नहीं करती वो.
मेरा कैमरा मेरे बच्चे जैसा है bro. There's no way my camera is going
भाई
anywhere.
क्या अजीब दिख रहा हम लोग.
Sure. How you do? Hello guys, welcome back to my vlogs. Don't it feel weird at start? अच्छा दिख रहा है ना इसमें.
आ जाता है इसका नार्सिसिज्म.
वो how many modes है ना?
को देख रही है.
ओह
Oh shit! Change the monitor. वो क्या हो रहा है? Screen.
आई थॉट उसकी तरफ होगा. मुझे लगा सेल्फी मोड में है.
Hello
भाई नींद से
guys.
उठे हुए लग रहे हम लोग.
हम लोग लिटरली अभी
सो
नींद
गए
से
थे.
उठे.
Hello guys.
ये गधा बेचारा आधी नींद में से
Hello.
सो रहा है उठ रहा है सो रहा है उठ रहा है. Hi guys. Okay, I'm very close to crying. It is 3 a.m. It's literally dark outside. I'll tell you what's happening. So, I've been trying to sleep for an hour and I can't. I don't know why. I have always tried to be honest on this channel and try to show a side of me which is very genuine. Like, if I don't like how I'm feeling, most of the times, at least sometimes, I try my best to portray it through my YouTube videos, through my reels also sometimes, just to make you guys realize that it's very normal to not be okay and still keep going. I don't know how many of you follow me on Instagram. 17th or 18th, I posted this one reel in which I basically expressed that I don't want to do anything for my birthday, and I'm a girl who loves birthdays, loves celebrations. I'm the kind of girl, I had a huge party for 10k subscribers on YouTube with like 20 people. It's very weird for me to not celebrate, right? This has honestly never happened before. Like, I've never felt this sad before my birthday, like ever. It honestly takes a lot of courage to talk about stuff like this on camera, like especially when you're crying. And I know it's gonna take me a lot of courage to even post this because it's not very common to be vulnerable on the internet. In this past week, I have felt used, betrayed, heartbroken. My trust has been broken. Okay, I just gathered myself up a little. I was sort of like wheezing and I couldn't talk. It was just a mess. Anyways, everything that has happened in the past 2 weeks has made me realize a lot of things. It's also made me realize how important it is to learn to let go of people, of things, of situations, of so much. You know, I can't tell you exactly what's happened because personal space and boundaries and stuff, but I can tell you one good thing that came out of it. So there was this one person that I was not talking to at all. Like, there was a point where she was the closest person to me in my life and the most trustworthy person, sort of like that. And I wasn't talking to her at all. Like, I mean, zero contact because of something that happened in the past. And even though I had let go of that situation, I just couldn't let go of my anger, okay? And I was so pissed. I was like, why? How could she do this? She apologized and I still couldn't let go. In the past 2 weeks, I realized one thing, that it's okay to make mistakes. It is okay. Everyone at some point slips up. I have seen it firsthand how bad it feels to be left by someone who was so close to you, by someone who was... It's just okay to sometimes make mistakes. Everyone changes, everyone evolves, everyone learns from their mistakes, and I really hope you guys realize that please don't hold on to your anger. If you have a situation with someone and they apologized and they're genuinely saying they changed, I'm not talking about like toxic relations, I'm talking about friendships, I'm talking about all other bonds. If that person genuinely has changed and, you know, if you see that they have changed, give them a chance, because it's really brutal. Like this world is brutal. I remember being 13 and feeling like going to school and being like a tad bit bullied by teachers is the worst that could possibly happen to me. And then I grew up and realized that, oh no, there is so much worse to come. I'm honestly very glad whatever happened. I learned one thing from this whole situation: no one is going to be there for you forever. The two things that I learned: one is no one is going to be there for you forever, and second, whatever happens for a reason. Like, it's better late than never, sort of. Okay, I'll see you guys later. Bye.
I need to show you something.
इसका फैशन शो अलग चलता है पूरा दिन. यहाँ पे आके दिखा, वहाँ पे दिख नहीं रहा, लाइट नहीं आ रही. Oh my god, it's a tin. ये सब ये मुझे गिफ्ट नहीं करती है, कुछ भी नहीं लाके देती है मुझे. She doesn't love me enough, guys. Feel free to ask for my address. मैं दे दूँगी, आप लोग भेज सकते हो. Hey ladies, tap it down. Just wanna see it touch the ground. Go shaka, go bonanza. And then there is Cookie. That guy does not give a flying F about what is happening in everyone's life. All he cares about is eating and sleeping.
That's how it should be. We all should be like that.
The blush is being tested on me. I'm a guinea pig.
Okay.
Ben?
अरे रुक ना.
Look, can I do it please? You're giving me anxiety.
But let me do it ना.
Orange हो गई हूँ मैं.
तू पागल है क्या? तेरे को दिखता नहीं है क्या?
इसमें लग रहा है orange. रुको. ठीक है, nice, but it's not for my shade.
Oh, shut up.
It's not. It's very pretty. I like the glow, but कम लगाना अभी.
अभी इक्वल करना पड़ेगा ना.
गौरी मार रही है, ऐसा लग रहा है.
गौरी द क्लाउन.
मेरी जैसी लाइफ चल रही है ना अभी.
कितना
क्लाउन
सॉफ्ट है.
ये तो जाएगा. शेफ्ट है. तुझे पता है मेरी स्किन को बस ऐसे ऐसे करेगी, अपने आप वो लाल हो जाएगी. आई डोंट नीड ब्लश. आई एम माय मॉम्स डॉटर.
ऐसे ऐसे करूंगी तो लाल.
देख.
हाँ यार. हाँ.
See, it's actually going red.
Yeah. God.
My skin is very sensitive ऐसे.
थप्पड़ लगाऊं तो फिर नेचुरल ब्लश हो गया. नहीं, देखो तो खरीदने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. 2 थप्पड़ लगा दो बस, हो गया लाल.
ये औरत से बात करने का कोई फायदा नहीं है. She is very uneducated and very mean.
Uneducated. Oh my God. She just called you uneducated. खुद पढ़ाई छोड़ के बैठी है. यहाँ पे मैं तो कर रही हूँ जितना हो रहा है.
कर रही है उसमें तेरे को इंटरेस्ट भी है 1% का भी.
कर तो रही हूँ ना.
कर रही है बस, ये कुछ कर रही है.
It's not like nothing. Like you.
I'm being bullied a few hours before my birthday. A few hours. It's like 3:45. I'm being bullied. कितने घंटे हुए?
क्यों? अच्छा, पढ़ाई नहीं आती ना, मैथ नहीं आती इसको. पढ़ाई
9 घंटे.
नहीं, देखो पढ़ाई
नहीं, 9 भी नहीं, 8 घंटे. 8 hours before my birthday. 4 बजने वाला है. 8 hours before my birthday. You're bullying me. तेरे को शर्म आती है?
रुक जा. There's one more.
ये वक्त लगाऊंगी.
मुझे लगाना ना. कॉल आ गया रॉन्ग टाइम. ना हमरा नहीं. एक काम कर, 4:30. अरे तो हूँ हमरा नीचे नहीं आ सकूँ यार, ऊपर आ भी सकूँ. ठीक कर.
नार्स का ब्लश एंड क्लिनिक का लिप टिंट डेफिनेटली डज नॉट सूट मी. क्लिनिक का फिर भी सूट कर रहा है. नार्स का यार मेरे को लग रहा है ऑरेंजिश हो रहा है मेरे टोन पे थोड़ा.
It started. Hello everybody, welcome back to Gauri's YouTube channel. Yeah, better. I know, but ये तेरा हो गया. Wait. But this is. Hey, mummy. Hello everybody, welcome back to Gauri's YouTube channel. If you're new here, please, what do you say? Like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the post notification so that you know every single time Gauri's posting a video. I said it right in one go.
You're good.
Anyways, I don't know if Gauri has started this series or not. Never mind. Welcome to Prisha's cut of being welcome to Gauri's birthday vlog, which is a very huge occasion in the Bhasin clan. In all the clans we know, because it is not a normal day. It is a celebration of someone special to us. We have a lot of things planned ahead, and we're going to be taking you through Prisha's camp because you never have anything planned. It's always me. I am talking. My moment of walking out.
मेरे रूम से मुझे ही बाहर निकाल रही है.
Yes.
सो गौरी का जो केक है वो जिस केक डिज़ाइनर से हम बना रहे हैं, शी इज़ अ होम कुक, सो शी सेड शी कांट मेक इट. तो हमने क्या किया, आइडिया निकाला है. ये वो जो मेकअप का होता है वो नया है हमारे पास, ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर. सो नाउ अब हम उसको वो कर रहे हैं. तो अभी आप देखेंगे कि ये क्यों हो रहा है. ओके, विल शो यू. सो यू सी द मेहनत वी आर डूइंग. दिस इज़ बिहाइंड द सीन. शी डजंट नो.
Yeah, let me place this somewhere.
और आई एम थिंकिंग ये यहाँ पे.
हाँ, ये जो बोल रहे हो आप एकदम सही बोल रहे हो.
तू ना कुछ करा मत, बस बोल ही जा.
मुझे डर लग रहा है मैं खराब कर दूंगी इसको. बस काट लिया थोड़ा सा आपके लिए.
मुझे सब
भाई
इतना
मैं
पता है
साइंस
कि
स्टूडेंट थोड़ी थी, मैं कॉमर्स हूँ. मेरे को जब लाइनें बनाना
उससे
आता है.
कुछ कनेक्शन नहीं है इसका, ये दिमाग है.
नहीं है मेरे पास. आपकी बच्ची ने ले लिया.
हाँ,
मुझसे ले लिया उधार पे.
उधार पे. उसके पास अपना है.
अच्छा.
हाँ,
अच्छा,
उसके पास अपना है. मेरी बेटी है
वो
वो.
ये कट कर देना. केक कटिंग है 4 घंटे 3 घंटे में. और
हाँ.
ये कर रही है ट्रायल एंड एरर.
और देखो अब वो केक जैसा बनेगा उसकी माँ ने बनाया तो उसको खाना पड़ेगा.
तुमने नहीं बनाया.
मतलब डिजाइन.
अच्छा, मैं कर रही हूँ अपने हिसाब से करूँ मैं.
हाँ.
जो समझ आ रहा है. ठीक है.
अगर तुझे खराब किया ना.
अरे यार अभी ये कर रही हो. कोई इंसान करे कैसे मेहनत.
पहले बता तेरा आइडिया क्या है वो बता.
मैं बस इसी को ही मैं शेप बना.
बेटा मेरी बात सुन, अगर तू इस तरफ शेप बनाएगी वो कैसे पेपर पे आएगा, इस तरफ शेप बनाओगी वो ऐसे पेपर पे
अरे
जाएगा.
तुम टूथपिक कर रही हो.
टूथपिक यहाँ लगेगी.
गाइस,
See what we are trying. केक ऊपर करेंगे जो ये. I think.
एंड में हमने यूज तो मेरा वाला ही कटा.
हाँ देखो, हाँ देखो, ये
perfect आ रहा है.
परफेक्ट आ रहा है.
परफेक्ट. ये वाला है. ये लेट्स गो.
यहाँ क्रॉस करो, क्रॉस करो.
ऐसे
नहीं,
हाँ.
इतना भी क्रॉस नहीं. और नीचे फोन रख दो आप. आंटी
केक बेकर.
द बेस्ट केक बेकर.
यस.
हमारी सारी केक्स इनके पास है. हाँ बस अब उसको मत छेड़.
डन
डन.
डन डन डन.
Hi guys, so I sadly can't put the voice on in these videos because all the videos are in slow-mo, so I am actually fast forwarding them and you can just see the video part. I am so sorry that there is no voice, but I don't know, somebody probably must have hit some button and uski wajah se the whole voice is gone and all these videos are in slow-mo. What I can do is narrate how it actually went. Here I did not know about the surprise. I literally had no idea about the theme as well. Dwiti and mom collectively decided the theme and they came up with everything, did all the decor. I don't know how they made my Pinterest board come to life because I was so shocked to see this. So they couldn't get all my gifts because it was ordered very late, but they did get a few gifts for me, which I absolutely loved. A few of them were clothes and the rest was like, I think 4-5 bottles of perfumes. I really liked the gifts. Like, it was so sweet and it was so cute, especially the decor. The amount of effort they put in, I did not expect it. I definitely did not even see it coming. Also, I made everyone wait for like a good 1.5 hours because my pictures were not like coming out right. And everyone was just sitting there, ya to eating, ya to like holding the light and clicking pictures. Like, I love everything.
Like this.
बड़ी तो पक्का उसमें डाली हो वीडियो में YouTube.
Yes, this is the picture. For her Insta. Yeah, हमारी केक की kisses melt हो रही है.
बहुत ज़्यादा
वही pose की damn गड़बड़ है. Come थोड़ा forward. Come थोड़ा forward now. Come थोड़ा forward. Yeah, perfect. Now.
वीडियो देने किसी को मेरे मुंह से बोल बस नॉट वीडियो या ब्लॉग
Oh, so I should.
चैलेंज चेंज करो
Sarthak looks like a creepy uncle who's just
Why तेरे phone से ना फिर light जल रही है?
should be
We should. Phone.
अंदर
चलेगा. हाँ मैं 4 minutes.
लाइट मैन आया नॉट द कैमरा मैन
Works are done.
oh my god
All thanks to Dhriti. Everything. She does wonders for everyone. We need to appreciate this one. And this one. Who's just excited? Who's the excited kid in the party? And we love her.
बात पे चढ़ जाती है this is my idea अपने 2-3 reels देख you'll get what I want to make
Gauri's birthday! 1 minute.
मैं देख रहा हूँ
The boys are just here for the food. And Manali has joined them.
to you
Happy birthday to you.
Henny
Happy birthday, dear Gauri. Happy birthday to you. She's like,
okay on है the amount of questions I get on dad is like where is your dad आप अपने dad को post क्यों नहीं करते हो I'm like यहाँ पे
Dad post. More posts with you.
अरे वो नाइट फ्लावर
ये नीचे बैठी है फुल वीडियोस लेने उधर लाइट पकड़ के खड़ी है
And everything.
और फिर ये लोग हैं
कौन सा अभी काट रहे हो? Blueberry.
and we're live
दादी को भी मिला लो.
thank you guys
मैं बुलाता हूँ
केक लेने और नहीं है. ये जो है before the
चल केक
cutting happens.
Yes.
The most serious birthday girl ever. Hey, overexcited mother. बार बार मिले आए, बार बार मिले आए. रखा एस्थेटिक्स बाकी है. Rishi uncle, happy birthday to you. Supriya, to you. Happy birthday to Sunita. Happy birthday to you. Not letting the cake cutting happen.
no it's not gonna happen I need my aesthetics
Yeah, turn it on. Guys doing the lighting for her aesthetic table board. It's very pretty.
wait a second
Light man, cameraman, all ready, birthday girl. ढंग से काम करो. We don't pay you enough for this. Post properly. Cake काटो भाई. Arna finally made a guest appearance. What was it? Kareena Kapoor. That's Karan. खाना Arna is here for the guest appearance.
मैं तो केक खाना आया हूँ मस्त है
केक खिलाई नहीं है तो क्या करें? Sorry, me and Dhriti were saying we don't get paid enough for this at all.
miss you
enough
At all. We don't get paid at all.
प्रीशा तूने कैमरा उल्टा पकड़ा
Come back. हाँ हम मैं धृति बोल रहे थे. We are not getting paid enough for the work we put in.
enough नहीं at all
It's done for the day. Now please, everybody's waiting for the cake. Chalo. Which cake are you cutting? The band is yours. The band is yours. Band is yours. Where are the parents?
Bless you
नहीं ऊपर से पीछे काटने के लिए वो निकल पूरा केक उड़ गया
Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. May God
in the zoo. No.
मेरे को काम
मैं
करो
हूँ ना.
ले
मैं पाव पे कौन खड़ा है गाइस? मैं
ये तो टूट रहा है
घड़ी भी रख दे
केक तुम लोग लाए नहीं मुंह पे लगा
देख तुम लोग लगा सकते हो बट जानवरों की तरह नहीं, थोड़ा थोड़ा ऐसे प्यार जैसे।
भाई मेरे बर्थडे पे इसने
जितना
मेरे को
बचे
टीका
उतना
लगाया था।
ऑटो ना यार, इससे प्रॉब्लम है, ये जानवरों जैसे नहीं लगाएगी।
हैरी लगा लगा
अच्छा बाल बाल बाल,
वेरी गुड वेरी गुड वेरी गुड।
ओके वाइट भी
एवरीथिंग
एवरीवेयर।
ये देखो
ये मैं लगाऊंगा तभी भी अच्छे खेल सकते
तू नहीं लगा रहा है।
गया
टीका लगाया तूने?
गौरव कम सार्थक हैप्पी होल्स, हल्दी मुबारक हो आपको अपनी।
टी-शर्ट के अलावा सब जगह
हैं इतना सारा केक
ये थोड़ा मेरे
हालत देख रहे हो, मेरी हालत देख रहे हो
You just tell me which flavor.
सार्थक?
उसके अलावा
रैंडमली हवे में वी आर टॉकिंग, कुछ ना कुछ तो टॉपिक आ रहा है एंड
क्या बोल रहे थे?
हाँ
डोंट कैप्चर दैट।
Hello, it's officially what time? It's 3:22 right now, and we all are just chilling. Here's Gauri
ये जो account
with pimple patches and cake all over her hair. She's going for a hair wash tomorrow because Princess wants to feel pampered, and here's everybody else.
क्या
That's Manali. Sleepy, tired, but yet we all are awake with this one. We just blink.
गौरी मुझे भी देना चाय।
मैंने इतना मैं फुल प्लान
3:20 पे चाय पी रही है गौरी.
क्रैनबेरी जूस योर, आई लाइक 320 एंड मुझे
क्रैनबेरी
नहीं
जूस।
Henny, say something.
I just love her name. Every time you say Henny, it's like Hennessy written. Like I just picture
And
Hennessy.
Sleepy Queen is here.
I'm gonna call you Hennessy.
And let's not forget to be.
Wow. I can read.
This is not focusing. Oh, it just did.
She was in a full
Wait.
on
Yeah.
spree, bro. Like,
And if you all get annoyed, bored, please skip 20 seconds.
Yeah, please don't leave the video. There's a lot that's gonna happen. I don't know what's gonna happen.
This is just the start, and we're just about to get started now. Yeah, so for tomorrow, our plan is to start our day by 11 o'clock. By 11 o'clock.
11:30 12 तक नीचे बांटने जाऊंगी।
उसकी ये
Will you be up? I'm scared for that.
करके दोस्त थी।
Let's see. Chalo, bye bye. We'll keep on updating you all. Bye bye. Adios, amigos. Please subscribe. The morning after celebrating all night, Gauri. What are you doing?
I'm calling Dhriti because she'll be very pissed if I don't call back. I'm calling people since I woke up and everyone's like, "Abhi uth rahe ho? Abhi
And
uth
she's
rahe
been
ho?"
up for the past 20 minutes only.
Yeah. हाँ अभी कॉल कट कर रही है। वाह
दरवाजा बंद करके आए हो, रूम का एसी चल रहा है हॉल में।
मनाली शेयर भाई।
ईशा you stop clicking me. I'm gonna
मेरे शिट
kick you.
मनाली के फोन से कितनी अच्छी पिक्चर्स आई है। Look, wait, I like this one a lot. कहाँ गई?
Bro, these are all
See?
live, no?
नहीं।
Oh shit.
I think she took it on some.
ईशा तू ना खाएगी मेरे से, मेरे जितना वीडियो ले डिलीट कर।
Ask your daughter to edit you out when she just.
Gauri, do you understand what I said?
But no. Love. Are officially up after sleeping for almost 6 hours. We slept for 6 hours, yeah. And now we are going to be headed to the salon because Gauri needs to pamper herself apparently. You'll figure it out. We have nothing figured out as of now. But yeah, the highlight of today is this. Yes, auntie.
Oh, cold coffee whipped cream. Sorry, vintage cold with whipped cream.
This look. Maybe doesn't this one look a lot like cafe coffee day?
Yes.
उसमें ऐसे ही देते हैं।
Mine also.
पहले टेस्ट बता दे गौरी कैसा है.
मैंने इसी के लिए कैमरा बंद नहीं
कैफे
किया था।
कॉफी डे भूल जाएगी मैं
मैंने
मजाक
इसलिए कैमरा बंद नहीं किया था, मुझे पता था ऋषि अंकल की एंट्री होने ही वाली है अभी।
Please enjoy the coffee.
I'm telling you, we are doing Rishi's cafe. You agree to it or not? I am doing it.
It can be a Prisha's cafe. I can only give her the guidance.
Recipes.
If she wants. Recipes. If she
हाँ बस मेरे पे डाल दो,
मैं
बस डाल दो मेरे पे सब कुछ. अब सुप्रिया आंटी आने वाली है. वेट फॉर हर ड्रामेटिक एंट्री गाइस.
मैम ये प्रॉपर्टी के लिए कॉल था मलाड में, आप कुछ सर्च कर रहे हो?
हाँ मतलब मैं सोच रही हूँ बस कल खरीदने का.
ओके
I hate you all.
Why?
I hate you.
5-6 करोड़.
अरे अंकल है खड़े.
चलिए हमारे पास से अच्छा बजट है. आप क्या देख रहे हो? 2 BHK 3
3 BHK.
कैसे पी रहे हो?
3 BHK
पर ये बंद भी
मैम कार्पेट एरिया है और प्राइसिंग हमारा जा रहा है 3.36 ईयर प्लस.
तो पैसे आप भेज दोगे ना?
नहीं पैसे हम लोग थोड़े मैम जिनको रहना है जिनको लेना है वही पैसे देते हैं.
नहीं मतलब आप एक 19-year-old लड़की को कॉल करके पूछ रहे हो अगर उसे फ्लैट खरीदना है, तो मेरे को लगा पैसे भी आप ही दे रहे हो.
मेरे लिए रखा है.
नहीं मैम एक्चुअली हमारे डेटा में मेंशन नहीं था. आपने शायद
Somebody over here is struggling to get coffee and she's worried about property.
नहीं यार प्लीज मेरा नाम ही डेटाबेस से हटा दो. मैं 19 years की हूँ.
ओके चलिए मैम सॉरी फॉर डिस्टर्बेंस.
या she's like नहीं जिसको रहना है वही पैसे देगा.
She was like, मैं पैसे होते तो आपको फोन कर रही होती.
पॉइंट
लगा के ना बैठी होती.
पॉइंट.
धृति आती है अंदर and she's like, मेरे बिना कॉफी बनी कैसे घर में.
मेरा सारा कंटेंट क्रिएशन का सामान भी इधर पड़ा है. बट व्हाई आर यू स्टैंडिंग ऐसे?
No.
अभी कर. The only reason I wanted to talk over here is that right now I'm going down sort of just थोड़ा दान करना, जो मैं बहुत बार करती हूँ एक्चुअली. ऑलमोस्ट हर साल मैं अपने बर्थडे पे कुछ ना कुछ तो करती हूँ ऐसा, समथिंग टू गिव बैक टू सोसाइटी. आई मीन आई डोंट नो हाउ एल्स टू पोर्ट्रे इट. द ओनली रीज़न आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस हियर बिकॉज बहुत बार ये चीज़ मिस इंटरप्रेट हो जाती है कि आई एम ओनली व्लॉगिंग इट फॉर द सेक ऑफ शोइंग ऑफ कि देखो मैं बहुत अच्छी हूँ, विच इज़ नॉट ट्रू. I just want to clear that out. I'm not vlogging it to only show off कि मैं क्या कर रही हूँ. The reason I'm vlogging it is because मेरा birthday है. I just want to, oh yeah, also ये पेरी पेरी का दाग लग गया और ये पैंट कल ही आई थी, but ठीक है. I just want to say I'm vlogging this because I want to show you all exactly how my birthday went, since everyone is so मतलब close to me, like all my fans, everyone who comments, everyone who like texts me. I love the wishes. I read almost all of them. I tried to read as much as I could, but I couldn't read all of them. But yeah, I just want to tell you guys that मैं इसलिए नहीं कर रही हूँ कि मेरे को शो ऑफ करना है. मैं इसलिए कर रही हूँ बिकॉज मैं मेरा बर्थडे ब्लॉग कर रही हूँ तो सब कुछ दिखाऊंगी. आई मीन द गुड पार्ट एंड द बैड पार्ट. लाइक बैड पार्ट तो आई थिंक आप लोग ने पहले ही देख लिया था, जो मेरा रोने वाला सेशन था. मेजरली आई एम व्लॉगिंग माई एंटायर बर्थडे एंड दैट्स द रीजन दिस पार्ट इज कमिंग इन. आई ऑलमोस्ट आई थिंक आई सेड इट एक बार पहले भी ऐसे ही एक व्लॉग में कि भाई मैं इसलिए नहीं कर रही हूँ, शो ऑफ करने के लिए नहीं कर रही हूँ. आई डोंट लाइक द फैक्ट दैट यू हैव टू क्लैरिफाई दिस, बट देन आई ऑल्सो अग्री कि भाई सब जो ये वीडियो देखते हैं सबका एक अलग पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू होता है एंड सब एक अलग पर्सपेक्टिव से मुझे देखते हैं. एंड मैं अपने आप से जितना क्लैरिफाई कर सकती हूँ मैं उतना तो कर ही दूँ. सो इट्स बेटर दैट वे.
We have to leave for P3 now. Everybody shouting at us.
मेरी चप्पल धोने में है यार.
Real life problems. चप्पल धोने में है.
लाइफ प्रॉब्लम देख रहे हो?
Where are we going?
दान करने गाइस.
How does it feel to be 20?
90.
19, sorry, 19.
Oh my god, why is everyone calling me 20? I don't like it.
now.
I don't like you very much.
Who's left in your life at the moment? He is the perfect example for an angry customer who comes and just yells.
I have not said one word to anyone but
Me?
you. Anyone but you.
This is Gauri after her hair and makeup.
Makeup.
Sorry. After her hair. Looking clueless in life and tired. But the night is young. Gauri, can you tell us 3 things that you learned just turning 19? 3 things that you learned. Any 3 things. In life.
Shout at people. That is the best way they're going to listen to you. Hi guys, I just finished my makeup and I made a reel. So I forgot to turn this camera on. Nice mental breakdown I had. everything. This is my second mental breakdown for my birthday. So I think that part is very nicely ticked off. I've had a lot of mental breakdowns actually this week. That's not something I should say on the internet, but okay. Okay, I am gonna go get dressed and then I'll shoot after I get dressed.
मार खानी है मेरी बर्थडे वाले दिन बर्थडे बम्स के नाम पे थप्पड़ मारूं 2-3.
देखो कैसे दोस्त है, कोई प्यार नहीं करता मुझसे, ऐसे दोस्त है गाइस मेरे. I actually like the makeup, it's slay, it's really nice. I like the glitter thing going. I think I should put more glitter on like the left eye. Right wala is shining a little too much. Oh, also highlighter नहीं लगाया मैंने. I really should apply that. हाँ, okay, random चीज़ें मुझे याद आ रही है. I really need to go make a reel and I'll talk to you guys after I have changed, opened my hair, all of that. Hi guys, so we have 2 cakes. One is the Kisses one, I didn't cut it last night. And then one is the Theobroma one, which my manager sent and I was so shocked because I was definitely not expecting that.
And I'm just amazed कि ये केक की kisses गई कहाँ.
कहीं तो गई. Oh, it's written Gauri.
Happy birthday to you. Where are we off to?
Going to Sea Link. I'm a little tired. Not a little, very tired. I think it's visible on my face. But yeah, I feel like walking on Sea Link at like 1 a.m. can
Marine
fix
Drive.
your
Sea Link is something
shit,
you're at
yeah.
right now.
God, walking at Marine Drive at 1 a.m. can fix a lot of life problems. Let's see how true that is because I have a lot of life problems.
I feel like your 19th birthday was a teaching lesson for you this
Yeah,
year.
it
It was not like a fun situation.
It was a lesson, bro. I have no. And I saw this reel like 3 hours. I turned 19 at like 12, and 1 or 2 o'clock. I'm seeing this reel like when you turn 19, things might go downhill. I'm like, भाई मेरा तो चालू ही downhill हुआ है. I hope अभी uphill जाए. बस हो गया. मेरे को और life lessons नहीं सीखने. भगवान प्लीज बंद कर दो ये जो तुम सिखा रहे हो मुझे. अभी सिर्फ पैसा गाड़ी महंगा गया बहुत, very important. But other than that, I just want to be a good person. I want to help people and I want to get a dog. If we keep aside fame and money, I really want to meet the people who support me. Genuinely. Everyone. Like I want to meet everyone. And the thing is, because of there are like so many weirdos out there that I'm scared to go and meet, you know, fans, and I'm scared to go and like hang out with them. But I genuinely want to meet. Like I would love to have a meetup. Maybe you never know, next year Social Nation mein you will see me.
Okay, what was your peak for this year's birthday and what was your puke moment?
This is an amazing question. If you want to ask someone what's your peak and what's your puke, I love this question. Anyways, my peak
was a good peak.
It was a good peak. My peak was definitely, I think, All Saints. Overall, like the whole place. I got good pictures. By Sachal. I got good pictures. I had amazing videos and food was good. I still feel like food could have been better. Like I feel like jo sabne ko bola food is good, I thought it was okay. And my puke was the salon moment. It was the worst moment of like.
That's a story time.
I'm honestly so tired. I just want to lie down. But you gotta do what you gotta do. हर रोज लाइफ में ऐसे मोमेंट्स नहीं आते जहाँ आपकी मम्मी आपको रात के 2 बजे बाहर जाना अलाउ कर दे.
So Priyanka, if you're watching this, we still love you.
Yeah, I still love her. Obviously, I think that goes upset. But यार नहीं अलाउ करती है. ऐसे हर रोज नहीं अलाउ करेंगे. कभी कभी शी अलाउस, मैं वैसे भी ज्यादा जाती नहीं हूँ. But whatever. मैंने बहुत बक कर लिया है. घर कितना प्यारा है यार. प्लीज मुझे घर दे दो कोई.
Isha Ambani's house, Gauri. Everybody has seen it.
Like that, on the floors, like that. मेरे दिमाग पे चढ़ गया ये गाना. Poor girl, more tired than I am probably. But it is okay. बर्थडे मेरा हर साल एक ही बार आता है.
3 दिन का जश्न होता है, वो दिवाली होती है हमारे यहाँ की.
हाँ भाई, हम दिवाली नहीं मनाते, हम मेरा बर्थडे मनाते हैं.
दिवाली नहीं मनाते.
मनाते हैं, but like producer joke यार.
I understand.
Not serious. I will talk to you guys later because I'm very tired. I just need to get my footage.
Yeah, now they can see Haji.
Leave. Oh, Haji Ali is behind me. All. I feel like such a tourist. I'm a tourist, guys, in my own city. I really want to make this vlog touring my own city, exploring new cafes, going to like all these. I've never been to Haji Ali. I want to go to Haji Ali.
What are you saying?
I have never been to. I really want to go to Haji Ali.
Bro, you're missing out.
I know.
It's damn good.
Guys, bye. It's so pretty at night. I really wish they let us sit here, bro. All these videos that you see now of people sitting at Marine Drive at 2 a.m. Let me tell you the reality. There are like 5 cops left पे and you cannot sit. जैसे ही आप बैठने जाओगे, they'll come and they'll like freaking क्या बोलते हैं, सीटी मारने लग जाएंगे, बस निकलो भाई, हो गया. They don't let us sit, bro.
Welcome to the city that never sleeps. And we're here just for the vibes, literally. We're just doing this because we want to do this.
There's like one guy who's just lied down over there.
Yeah, that's true.
Bro, I want to do that so badly.
Imagine getting like proposed here.
Nah, not here. No, it's very small. Can I pick it up? A year ago for my birthday, we were at this exact place, except we were staying in Trident.
Oh shit, yeah, that's true.
Turn the flash to yourself, it looks weird.
Oh, 1 second.
1:42 a.m. guys. And this is what we're doing.
The vibes were vibing, guys.
The vibes are vibing, what do you mean? Yeah, there are like a lot of people over here now. 2 seconds ago there was no one here.
No one here. Where are we?
Sigri! We're at Sigri! I don't know if people know this, but if you're from Mumbai and Bombay को मैंने combine कर दिया. Anyways, if you're from Mumbai, you definitely know Sigri.
You found out about this place 2 weeks ago because
Not
of me.
2 weeks ago. I found out about this place long back, but I came to it for the first, came here for the first time on Dviti's birthday.
With me.
Yeah, like I came here for the first time then, but I knew about this place. So like I was saying, Sigri, honestly, the food is good. Like not gonna lie, it's good. But the fact that it is open all the time, पूरी रात खुला होता है भाई, तुम सुबह के 4 बजे आ जाओ, सिगड़ी खुला मिलेगा. And I love that because मुझे खाने से बहुत प्यार है. तो I feel like I might shift to Bandra just because of Sigri. Sigri is also in Malad, but I'm talking about the Bandra wala. She is so dead.
It feels like I've been just
Living
filming.
like 5 lives, bro.
Yeah, I've just been filming since the past 24 hours.
More than that.
Yeah, honestly.
It's been more than 24 hours. And the whole thing, I like filming a lot, but they're not used to it.
No. We've lived enough with you now.
Okay, I'll see you guys later. I genuinely don't have the himmat to talk anymore. Bye. Guys, I just took my makeup off. She's still taking her makeup off. And we're just here. Okay, I'm sorry, I have to shut this. We just got back and we have our food. And we got Coke, and then we just remembered that last night we had ordered for cranberry juice. And I don't know why Peri Peri is in my room. It's always in my room, ignore that. But we ordered for cranberry juice. I don't know why we got Coke. We literally forgot about the cranberry juice, and then I was just like, wow, that's so great. I'm so smart. I think I'll catch up with you guys tomorrow because I don't want to say that I'll catch up in a bit and then not. So I think I'll just see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, ignore the fact that my face is quite literally glowing and oily because I applied oil on my face. I wanted to kind of tell you the whole story about what happened at the salon. We had gone to get our hair done, both of us. So she got a haircut and I wanted to get a hair wash and a blow dry. Now, I went there and she did the hair wash and then she took me to like the chair I was sitting and she was doing my blow dry. I don't know what she did, but she quite literally basically flat ironed my hair, and to the point where they dyed, they looked so rough, and she did not even apply heat protectant. And she was doing this and I was so engrossed in this call that I was on. There was like, they were wishing me happy birthday, all of that. And I just cut the call. I was like, wait, let me call you back. And I asked her, like, आपने heat protectant लगाया था क्या? And she's like, she's just looking at me and she's like, huh? And I'm like, what? She ruined my hair to the point where they were so rough. we had to go for the hair wash again. I shouted at them. I was like, bro, this is just messed up. That's why my mood was ruined when I went back from the salon. And then we had to go through the whole process again. And then when I told them that I want a normal blow dry, because I did not want to go for, you know, like a whole big thing, because my mood was already pretty off, and then this happened, so my mood became even worse. So they didn't do that. They got me some fancy blow dry and charged me triple from what I would have paid for the thing that I actually wanted, which I actually told them that I want. It was a mess. Like, that day was a mess. But I think the only highlight I feel now, when I look back a month later, I realized that the highlight was definitely Marines, and sitting over there, and the ceiling, and the talks we had a whole deep conversation before we started vlogging, and absolutely loved it. And I also forgot that I had to finish this vlog, so I'm gonna do that now. And I'm literally editing this vlog, so I'm supposed to post it tomorrow, and I don't know if I'll be able to. Anyways, I will see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm trying my best. Yeah, and I hope you guys know that everyone goes through hard times, and it's gonna get better. Just take your time and feel it fully, okay? Yeah, love you. Bye.